Okay, now you are working on a quadratic forms puzzle. Each pair of you has a puzzle. You have a pack and a paperclip of little orange puzzle pieces that go on here. You are only going to lay the correct one in the correct box. You're not gluing this. You're going to correctly lay them on your puzzle together. You have one puzzle to lay the orange pieces on per pairs. Okay? So, you're going to take the orange ones. You should have 25 of these to fill into this puzzle. I want you to get them in order by putting the little orange puzzles, put all your little graphs together, put all your little x equals together, put all your one real solution or two real solutions together. Try to group your orange pieces that way before you start. So let's go through the first one. Looking at standard form. The first thing you want to do is try to factor it, because that's the easiest thing to do, is to factor it. So you're going to look for the factored form on one of those little orange puzzle pieces, and that will go there. Now vertex form, to go from standard to vertex, you have to complete the square. So you're going to have to take that and do that x squared plus 10x plus blank plus 21. Half of 10, 5 squared, 25 minus 25, and then get it in your vertex form. Now, that's what you're going to have to do to go from standard to vertex. So find the matching vertex form. Then you're going to go on across, and you're going to look for your graph, the types of solutions and the solutions. Well, if we're looking for our solutions, whatever you factored here in factored form, set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. And that gives you your solutions. Now, you're not going to write on this puzzle, get some scrap paper, and do all this work to find your matching pieces. Okay, so that's how you get your x solutions. Now, when you're looking to find the graph, you know where your solutions cross the x-axis, because that's what solutions give you. So then find the graph that matches where you're crossing the x. So that's how you get your graph. Now the type of solutions are two real solutions that are rational, or two real solutions that are irrational, or one real solution that's rational, or two solutions that are imaginary. So that, and two imaginary solutions is already in the box. So you've got to place those types of solutions here. Well, you've got two x's here, so this would be two real solutions. Now, is it rational or irrational? Rational can be any number. Irrational has a square root in it usually. So when you're finding square root answers, it's going to be an irrational type of solution. So now your substitute's going to pause this. You have some time to work on this. Work with your partner. Try to figure out which puzzle goes where. And then she's going to bring this back up with the answers in a little bit. You need to make sure you can put this puzzle together and you understand the connection between standard, factored, vertex, your graph, your solutions. You're just finding the zeros, and remember, I don't want you to use your calculator to find them, but you can check all your answers using your calculator. So, again, I went through the first one, so make sure you can do the rest of them. The puzzle pieces will start coming together easier. There is one on here that has a 4 in front of it. It's got a coefficient in front of the x squared that you don't know how to complete the square in, but the rest of the puzzle pieces fall together in that one. So just look carefully at what you got there. And then when the answers come up, y'all can discuss why some of those were what they were. Good luck with your puzzle.